Well true.
And in this film, there are some emotional sequences where completely they are, where you and heroine at the car scene, where it is at the climax. And doing that scene, sir, so your expressions are completely killing. So what kind of preparation you did for that kind of emotions? Means some kind of expressions which you give are some completely funny, but that is completely different from all your things.
Sir, it is, that scene itself is a very new scene, sir. That is like, he would have, he is in love with her, but he can't cross a boundary. She was in love with him, but anymore it can't happen. It would have been very sweet if they both had joined in life, but it is not anymore possible. So this, to say these lines itself is like very emotional. So I just felt it, and all the dialogues what Kirti wrote, what can we do? Can we time travel, go back and join or what? Not, no, it is not possible. This is our fate. So everyone in our life, would have this situation in life where we'll accept something like this is our fate. Now we can't go back, change few things in life. We have to accept, move forward, nothing else, and be cool, or that's it, move forward. So the scene had it, sir.
Where you showed that pain, that it is really real, which we see on the screen.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
హలో సార్.
ఆ సీన్లో అండి, దట్ ఈస్ మై ఫేవరెట్ సీన్. ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీ. ఆయన క్లోజ్ పెడితే ఆయన చేసిన పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ కానీ ఇది కానీ మైండ్ బ్లోయింగ్. నేనైతే ఈ మధ్యకాలంలో చూడాల. ఈ సినిమాలో ఒక 5-6 ఎపిసోడ్లో ఆయన చేసిన పెర్ఫార్మెన్సు ఎంటర్టైన్మెంటు, ఆయనకున్న మార్క్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ గురించి కాదు, ఎమోషనల్ సీన్స్లో చేశాడు. అసలుకి ఆ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్లు కానీ ఇది కానీ ఒక్కసారి బర్స్ట్ అయిపోయాడు. దాని తర్వాత మళ్ళీ కంట్రోల్ చేసుకుని అయినా ఆగకుండా చిన్న షివర్తో ఇట్లతో బ్రిలియంట్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్, బ్రిలియంట్.
That's my favorite scene too, sir. I go with Ravi, sir. Like, that pathway scene is the favorite scene of Dude for me, because it summarizes the whole story there.